So today's topic is HCF and LCM, that is highest common factor, which is also known as greatest common divisor or GCD. When I mean to say find the HCF of 36 and 90, I mean to say the greatest number which can divide both the number. वो सबसे बड़ा number, वो सबसे बड़ा factor जो 36 और 90 दोनों को exactly divide करे so that remainder comes 0. तो steps दो ही हैं, prime factorize कीजिए 36 और 90 दोनों का, and second step product of common factors with lowest power. So first we have done the prime factorization of 36, 2 square into 3 square, and prime factorization of 90, 2 into 3 square into 5. So product of common factors with lowest power. So first we will search the common factor. Here the common factor is 2, दोनों के अंदर है, and the common factor 3 दोनों के अंदर है. So 2 and 3 are the two common factors. 5 फैक्टर सिर्फ 90 का है, 36 का नहीं है, so 5 कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है. Now next thing is the lowest power, common factors with lowest power. So factor 2, in this case the power of factor 2 is 2 and the power of factor 2 is 1, so the lowest power of 2 is 1. Here the power of factor 3 is 2 and here also the power of factor 3 is 2, so the lowest power is 2 itself. So the product of common factors with lowest power. So 2 with lowest power 1 and the common factor 3 with lowest power 2. So 2 into 3 square, that is 2 into 9 is 18. So HCF of two numbers A and B is actually always less than or equal to the smaller number. Here the smaller number is, in that case the smaller number is 36 and our HCF is 18. So 18 is less than 36. In few cases what happens, for example, if we take the HCF of 9 and 18, in that case the HCF will comes out to be 9. So in that case the HCF is equal to the smaller number. This is the smaller number. Okay. So our next topic is lowest common multiple. Again the steps are same. So when I mean to say to find the lowest common multiple of 36 and 90, I mean to say the smallest multiple of 36 and 90, the smallest multiple of both 36 and 90, or the number which is exactly divisible by 36 and 90, यानी वो number जो 36 से भी exactly divide हो जाए और 90 से भी exactly divide हो जाए, that is your lowest common multiple. Steps same है, इसमें भी आपको prime factorize करना है दोनों numbers को. And second most important thing, product of all distinct prime factors with highest power. For example, here we have done the prime factorization of 36, 2 square into 3 square, and prime factorization of 90 as 2 into 3 square into 5. So first thing is product of all distinct prime factors. Here the word is distinct, that means we are not taking the only common factors. So distinct prime factors are 2, then we have 3, and then we have 5 also. Now with highest power, here the power of prime factor 2 is 2 and here it is 1, so the highest power is 2. Here the prime factor, the power of 3 in that case is 2, and in case of 90 also the power of 3 is 2, so the highest power is 2. Here the highest power of 5 is 1 and here there is no 5, that means highest power of 5 is 0, so the highest is 1. So the product of all distinct prime factors with highest power, सारे distinct prime factors ले लीजिए 2, 3 and 5. 2 with highest power 2, 3 with highest power 2 and 5 with highest power 1. So 2 to the 4, 9 into 5, you get 180. So 180 is the LCM. And here you will see the LCM of any two numbers A and B is always greater than or equal to the greater number. So here the greater number is 90 and LCM of A and B is 180. So in that case 180 is greater than 90. So LCM is always greater than both the number. Okay. In few cases it may be equal. For example, when we take the LCM of 9 and 18. So LCM of 9 and 18 here comes out to be 18. So in that case 18 is equal to the greater number, that is 18. So this is the relationship you must remember. Now there are some few important points. HCF of any two numbers is always less than the LCM. Okay, HCF is always factor of LCM. LCM is always multiple of HCF, or you can say that HCF exactly divides LCM. From the above two, HCF of AB is always less than or equal to the smaller number A which is less than B, and LCM of A and B will always greater than or equal to B. So this is the relationship between HCF, LCM and the two numbers. Now next, what we have seen, HCF of 36 and 90 and LCM of 36 and 90. If we do the product of HCF of 36 and 90, which is 18, and LCM of 36 and 90, which is 180, then the product of 18 and 80 comes out to be 3240. और अगर हम जिन दो नंबर्स का एलसीएम निकाल रहे हैं 36 और 90 का, तो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 36 and 90 also comes out to be 3240. So there comes a very important relationship, that is the product of HCF and LCM of any two numbers is equal to the product of the numbers. But this relationship doesn't apply when we are finding the HCF of three numbers. So here we have three numbers. Let us suppose that PQR and LCM of same three numbers PQR. Then in that case the product of HCF and LCM, अगर three numbers का अगर हम HCF और LCM निकालें और उनका product करें, तो that will not be equal to the product of the numbers PQR. तो जब three numbers का हम HCF और LCM निकालते हैं, तो इस केस में ये relationship satisfy नहीं होता है. तो ये जो relationship है ये सिर्फ two numbers के लिए ही है. Thank you.